Hey guys, I'm Ara. And I'm Ayush. We're the Tasty Twins. So today, we are going to be making chocolate mousse. Let's get
No, you're not. Hi, I'm Meghna, and today I'm going to be making chocolate mousse. So first up, you want to have half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate. Then you want to have just over a quarter cup of sugar. Then you want to have about 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And finally, you want 3 eggs, and you want to split it up into your egg yolks, and in another bowl, your egg whites. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to take a glass bowl and a pot of water. And you want to just put that glass bowl over top of the pot. And what we're going to do here is we're going to take our chocolate and we're going to put it into this bowl so that it melts slowly and doesn't burn. And by having it in the bowl, it's going to be steam cooked almost. So this will make sure that your chocolate melts nicely and doesn't turn into a lumpy mess. Okay, so while the chocolate is melting, we're going to want to heat up our cream. We do not want to let it boil, but we just want to get it a little bit warm. So I'm just going to take my cream and put it into a saucepan. Okay, so now that the chocolate has melted, you can pour the heated, not boiling cream. Okay, so I'm going to pour in all the cream. I poured in a little bit already, and I'm just going to make sure I stir it all up so that it becomes a nice, silky consistency. Okay, so once you've had that all stirred in, we want to add in our egg yolks, and we want to make sure that we stir them in very carefully, and also that it's not too hot so that the egg yolks don't boil, but rather they cook and just make it into like a pudding. Okay, so I've stirred everything in, and now we're going to move on to essentially beating our egg whites and creating a meringue for our chocolate mousse. Okay, so I'm just setting up my KitchenAid, but all you need to do essentially is have any kind of handheld mixer or a stand mixer. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in our egg whites and our sugar and beat it until it is stiff peaks. Okay, so we have our egg whites in the bowl, and I'm just going to turn it on high speed so that we get it to start mixing. So you want to go in and add in your sugar just a little bit at a time and slowly do this until it has become stiff white peaks. Okay, so now that we've whipped our egg whites into stiff white peaks, we can the bowl, we basically want to fold this into here. And folding, all that means is that you want to gently stir it in using as few stirs . It's very good. Wow. Thank you so much for watching. I am very lucky to be a special guest on this channel. And make sure you subscribe to the Tasty Twins, like this video, and turn on notifications so that you can see their videos every week. Thank you!